Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to transplant some seedlings, and I'm going to use these three products over here along with this Scott's topsoil to fill this hole that I created over here in order to transplant the seedlings. I'm going to, this Scotch topsoil covers about 2.5 cubic feet. So I am going to use the entire bag. Right now I'm just breaking up some of that topsoil, some of the lumps and clumps, so it can be more aerated before I put the topsoil in. So here I'm just adding the topsoil. I want to pick this bag up to just fill the hole quicker. Like I said, this topsoil covers quite a bit. I am going to add my native soil back in the end to help fill the entire hole up, because I do think this topsoil is not going to be able to fill the entire hole. So I'm just doing that, and I'm going to show y'all here how that topsoil looks, and I'm going to just mix it up. This topsoil do have peat moss in it along with vermiculite. I believe I'm saying that correctly. That's going to help make this clay native soil more airy, and once I put my seedlings in there, the roots is going to be able to grow and get really down in the soil to get well established. I am going to add my fertilizer and plant food over here to build up the soil, and I'm just continuously mixing that topsoil in with my native soil so I can get a good mixture. And as I set y'all back up here, I am going to grab my Dr. Earth all-purpose fertilizer. This is a mix that is 2-2-2, and I believe that's 2 nitrogen, 2 phosphorus, and 2 potash. I believe I'm saying that correctly. If I'm not, excuse me in advance. I'm just mixing it all up here. I didn't show in the camera, but this all-purpose fertilizer from Dr. Earth reminds me of grass, little pellets of grass. That's what it looks like. So I'm just mixing that in here, and I'm just showing y'all a second shot of that. Here I'm grabbing the Job's fruit and vegetable fertilizer. I'm just going to show y'all how that looks here. It looks like little rocks. I'm just going to throw that in. It's just pellets or granules, however you want to say it. I'm just throwing in a second healthy handful and mixing that in. This fruit and vegetable is going to help when the plants start to fruit. So it's going to encourage it to establish the fruit and encourage it to fruit and continue growing the fruit. The all-purpose fertilizer is going to help establish with the leaves, if I did not say that earlier in the clip. So my seedlings is going to be well established. I'm just showing y'all the earthworm castings that I'm going to put into this mixture as well to help build up the mixture. As I said before, I'm going to add that native soil to help fill in this hole. I'm just showing y'all how airy the mixture is, and it clumps together, but it easily falls away as well, so the roots will be well established. Okay, so
It's probably about what, 30 minutes later, and this is how that hole look. I filled in the hole. Here's my little seedlings. They're very small, real babies. This is the cantaloupe. I put the original date still on there and the transplant date, which you can see is the 17th of May. So that's the look, one of them. And it was 2 in 1 cup, and I broke them apart. This the other cantaloupe here, that little leaf, and then that is the watermelon that my dog Kane tried to pull up before I even put the mulch, the redwood chips on there, the mulch. So look at him, he ready to pounce and dig some up, child. So that's about it. It didn't take long at all. The products that I had out, I used all of them. I filled in the hole, then I watered them in real good. And there's still a little bit of dirt patches left. It's yeah, I didn't put all the dirt back in here, but it's all good because I'm about to plant strawberries 3 in a row back here, and then that's it. So yeah, hopefully they thrive and survive out here. Look at him. Look at this food. Let's watch Kane try to dig up my garden. So this hole is from here all the way to that side here to it's about 4 feet long, actually, about 3 to 4 feet long. And so I can plant quite a bit up in this area. It's real soft right here because I got the potty mix and stuff and the topsoil, and the worm castings is real soft right there on that spot. But that's all right. We got it together. So this is about to be a short little clip of me planting some of my melons and a sugar baby and 2 cantaloupes to be exact in the ground, and we're gonna see how they grow. And that's how this turned out. So when updates become available and they get some growth on them, I will be showing that. I am going to show the update of these beauties over here. And while I'm here, I guess I might as well show you guys. Let me see if I can jump over here without breaking my neck. I ain't gonna even try it. I ain't gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna even do it, honey. But the seedlings, they still look the same. Oh, no they don't. I'm sorry. Remember, these was on the other video, if you guys watched that. This was the one that I planted May 4th. So it was this cantaloupe, the sugar baby watermelon, and also the sweet yellow. The sweet yellow have not popped yet, and I'm not sure why. All the rest of them popped. I don't know if I got bad seeds or what. Groony, you're gonna have to up your weight on your seeds. Some of the seeds don't produce. I bought them online at this store called Groony, so that's why I'm calling them out. But I'm doing a little spearmint. I do got some additional herb seeds, and the herbs they're the dill, parsley, and basil that I have in a sandwich bag, and I'm gonna see if I can sprout them like that, pretty much the old school way of starting seeds. And I got the sweet yellow watermelon to see if it's gonna even sprout, like even in the bag, to see, so I can see what's going on. Maybe I'm doing something incorrectly. But I also got a watermelon and cantaloupe as well, and we're gonna it's a little spearmint. I'm gonna see if they're gonna sprout within the sandwich bag, you know, the old school way when you put a damp paper towel in a sandwich bag and put seeds in it and see if it sprout. If something come up there, I will be recording that as well. But let's get to the container. I haven't had to water any of this. You know why? Because here in Arkansas, it's been raining. We've been getting that rain, okay? So I haven't even have to water my containers. I mean, the rain's been doing it itself. And look how tall my lettuce has gotten. I love it. They about ready to pick. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look up and see when do you supposed to pick these leaves. They're pretty long. Look, my hand down there, they all the way up there, halfway, you know what I'm saying? So they pretty long, you know what I'm saying? So I got that. They're growing quite nicely. I got 3 bundles here, doing me just well, and they're going to continue to grow. So that's the update on that. Today, again, is May 17th. I planted these. They replanted themselves March 28th. So that's the growth from March to May. This is the container with the red onion. They're growing nicely. I had a few pop up. Well, I had one pop up back here. And it was one that popped up right here. I don't know where. I thought I was recording and it stopped. I don't know where it stopped at. But anyway, I was talking about these strawberries. That's how the growth on that. This is the growth on the potatoes. They looks good still. And then we got the small red potatoes that's growing in here. These little small red potatoes. But I also got back here, I don't know if you can see it or not, I have the sweet potato leaves growing out. So we got that. And I have here, the ants are, or a bug is really getting to these. And this was my marigold that was growing here. And they're just getting ate the hell up. So I don't know how good that's about to grow. So hopefully, this stuff continue to thrive and I get a good harvest this year. So that's that on that. And I'd like to thank you for coming to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you can know every time I upload. Until next time, peace.